Living in the United States can be expensive, especially if you don't have a plan to manage your money wisely. Rent, groceries, utilities, transportation, and entertainment can quickly add up, leaving many people feeling stressed about their finances. But the good news is that saving thousands while living in the USA is entirely possible. It just requires a combination of smart budgeting, using hidden resources, and making intentional choices about where and how you spend your money. In this video, we're going to explore practical strategies that anyone can implement to save a significant amount of money without sacrificing comfort or quality of life. The first step to saving thousands is tracking your expenses. Many people spend money without realizing where it's going. By carefully tracking every dollar you spend for a month, you'll quickly identify areas where you can cut back. This can be done with simple budgeting apps or even a notebook. Once you know your spending habits, you can make conscious decisions to eliminate unnecessary purchases, like expensive coffee runs, subscription services you don't use, or frequent takeout meals. These small daily expenses might seem insignificant individually, but over the course of a year, they can add up to hundreds or even thousands of dollars saved. One of the largest expenses for most Americans is housing. Rent or mortgage payments often take up a significant portion of income, so finding affordable housing can dramatically increase your savings. Consider moving to a smaller apartment, a shared housing situation, or even relocating to a more affordable city or suburb. In many parts of the country, you can find quality apartments for half the price of large metropolitan areas like New York, San Francisco, or Los Angeles. Even reducing your rent by a few $100s a month can save you thousands annually, and that extra money can be redirected into savings or investments. Another key way to save money is by cooking at home instead of eating out. Eating out may seem convenient, but restaurant meals are significantly more expensive than homemade meals. By planning your meals, buying groceries in bulk, and preparing food at home, you can reduce your monthly food costs dramatically. Meal prepping also saves time and prevents impulse spending at convenience stores or fast food restaurants. Shopping at local farmers markets, using coupons, and taking advantage of store loyalty programs can further stretch your grocery budget while still allowing you to enjoy fresh and healthy meals. Transportation is another area where significant savings can be found. If you own a car, consider reducing unnecessary trips, carpooling, or using public transportation when possible. Car ownership comes with costs beyond gas, including insurance, maintenance, and registration fees. Some people even choose to downsize to a more fuel-efficient vehicle or explore alternative modes of transport like bicycles or electric scooters for short trips. If you live in a city with reliable public transit, using buses or trains instead of driving can save you hundreds, if not thousands, over the course of a year. Utilities and subscriptions are another area where you can cut costs. Many households pay for electricity, water, internet, and cable without evaluating whether they're overpaying. Simple actions like adjusting thermostats, using energy-efficient appliances, and unplugging electronics when not in use can reduce electricity bills. You might also consider switching to a cheaper internet or phone plan, canceling unused streaming services, and being strategic about subscription apps. These small adjustments may seem minor, but collectively, they can save hundreds of dollars annually. One of the most effective ways to save thousands is by taking advantage of free or low-cost entertainment. The United States has an abundance of free cultural and recreational activities that are often overlooked. Parks, hiking trails, beaches, museums with free entry days, and community events provide endless opportunities for entertainment without spending a lot of money. Instead of paying for expensive movie tickets, consider watching films at home or attending local outdoor screenings. Free concerts, festivals, and local farmers markets also offer enriching experiences without costing a dime. Shopping strategically is another critical part of saving money. Many Americans overspend on clothing, electronics, and household goods simply because they buy impulsively. By planning purchases, waiting for sales, using cashback apps, and shopping at thrift stores or discount outlets, you can cut costs significantly. Buying quality items that last longer instead of cheaper, disposable products also saves money in the long run. Additionally, avoiding the temptation of retail therapy and focusing on meaningful spending rather than impulse buying will help your savings grow steadily. For those looking to maximize savings, investing in tax-advantaged accounts and retirement plans can be incredibly effective. Contributing to accounts like 401k, S or IRAs reduces taxable income while allowing your money to grow over time. Even if you start small, consistent contributions can add up significantly over the years. Coupled with a solid emergency fund, these strategies not only save money, but also build long-term financial security. Another often overlooked strategy is finding additional sources of income. While cutting costs is important, supplementing your earnings can accelerate your savings. Side hustles like freelance work, online tutoring, or even selling handmade goods can provide extra income that goes directly into savings. Many Americans find that a combination of smart budgeting and additional income allows them to save thousands of dollars each year without drastically changing their lifestyle. Finally, mindset plays a huge role in achieving savings goals. Living frugally does not mean living miserably. By focusing on value, intentional spending, and long-term goals, you can enjoy life while building wealth. Tracking your progress, setting achievable financial milestones, and rewarding yourself with small, affordable treats along the way keeps motivation high. Over time, these habits compound, and what starts as small savings can turn into thousands of dollars that provide freedom, security, and opportunity. In conclusion, saving thousands while living in the USA is achievable with a combination of smart planning, frugal habits, and intentional choices. By tracking expenses, reducing housing costs, cooking at home, using efficient transportation, cutting utility bills, enjoying free entertainment, shopping strategically, investing wisely, and supplementing your income, you can dramatically improve your financial situation. Living in America does not have to drain your bank account, and with the right approach, it is entirely possible to enjoy comfort, security, and experiences while saving money. Remember, the key is consistency. Even small, repeated actions like skipping a coffee out, turning off unused lights, or cooking one extra meal at home can add up to thousands of dollars saved each year. These savings can then be used for emergencies, investments, travel, or other meaningful experiences. The journey to financial freedom in the USA is not about restriction. It's about smart choices that maximize value while minimizing unnecessary spending. By following these strategies, anyone can take control of their finances, live comfortably, and even thrive on a budget. Saving thousands while living in the USA is not just a dream. It's a reality that's entirely within reach. Start today, make intentional decisions, and watch how small, smart changes can transform your financial life.